Hey guys, it's beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. Sorry this video is voiceover again, but we're going to be doing these eyes. It is based off of this sketch that I did a couple weeks ago. I was sitting with my sister and I said, give me 3 colors to use and I will sketch out a look and do it. So this is what I came up with. So I put it on my eyes, and if you want to see how I did it, then please keep on watching. So to start off the look, I'm taking Kat Von D's Backstage Bambi Liquid lipstick, and I'm going to be placing this in my crease. I'm going to be using this as my eyeshadow base. So I'm just taking a dual fiber brush and blending out the edge of that. Then I'm taking COLOURPOP Secrets eyeshadow, and I am running this in the upper crease area. So this is going to be my transition shade. And then I'm taking COLOURPOP's Fair Play shadow, and I'm adding this into my crease. And then of course, since I have the desired pigmentation, I'm running the other brush to soften and diffuse the edge. And then I'm going to take a bit of this Johnny Concert Raven shadow mixed with the lash shadow, and I'm placing this right in my crease and then blending that out. Then I'm going to pick up my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm going to cut out my crease. This is definitely not a normal shape cut crease that I would normally do. So I'm really trying to match it up with the other eye. And yeah, cut it out. I'm definitely taking this higher, like on the outer edges, but like not as high in the center. I don't know. You can do whatever shape you want. This is just the shape that I went for this look. And then I just picked up a smaller brush. This is the Sugar Pill lip brush to just get a more like cleaner edge. A cleaner edge. I can't speak today. I can't speak ever, honestly. So then I pull it and drag it down onto the lid, and of course blend that concealer into my skin. So next I'm going to be taking a mixture of Kat Von D's Echo liquid lipstick and the blue from the Makeup Forever Flash palette. I just think Echo is a little bit streaky when it's by itself, so that's why I added the other in. And plus I wanted it like super easy to spread. And now I'm just trying to make sure that these wings go on even, because I feel like my wings are never really that even. So yeah, I'm just trying to measure that up with my nose, cleaning it up if it's messed up. I'm going to be winging this out and then dragging it back into the crease. And then I'm going to take more of Kat Von D's Backstage Bambi Liquid lipstick, and I'm going to place this in the center of the eyelid and cutting out that area there. Cutting out, am I even making sense? And then I'm kind of blending the purple and the blue together. Now I'm going to go into the Urban Decay KRISTEN LEANNE Kaleidescope Dream Palette, and I'm taking the shade TRM, which is the navy blue, and I'm pretty sure I had this on a wet brush, and I am going to place this over top of the blue area. And then I'm going to pick up the shade Spitfire from the same KRISTEN LEANNE palette, and I'm placing this in the center of my lid and slightly going over top of the blue to kind of blend those together. And picking up a wipe to fix up that wing. And then I'm taking Kat Von D's Armageddon liquid lipstick, and I'm going to use this to draw the inner corner detail, inner corner wing. And then I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics Club Tropicana palette, and I'm taking that hot pink there. And I am placing that on top of where I just sketched out with the Armageddon liquid lipstick. And next I took a combination of Tarte Shape Tape and JEFFREE Starr's Drug Lord liquid lipstick so that this crease would be super white and not really kind of go anywhere, but not overly white. Does that make sense? I'm placing this combo in my crease into the negative space area. So then I'm bringing that down, and I'm going to be perfecting the inner corner wing area. I had to try really hard to make this nice and straight because of the way my nose is and everything, and then of course my under eyes. My under eyes are so crazy. So I'm taking my time to really go in and make sure that that inner corner is exactly the shape that I want it. And then I'm taking Kat Von D's Poe lip liner and placing this on the sort of outer half of my lower lash line waterline. And then I'm taking Kat Von D's Muse lip liner and placing this on the inner third half of my waterline. Then I'm taking the brush that I used on the wing, placing this on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to start drawing the inner corner wing thing. I don't know what to call this. I sped it up a whole lot so you wouldn't have to sit through that much time of this. I spent so much time on this to make sure it is perfect. So then I'm taking a blending brush with that navy blue shadow we used up top, and I just smoked out that shadow a little bit, but then I took a wipe to it, so really no point to it. Just going back and fixing, perfecting this. Like I said, this took me forever. And then I'm going to take concealer and just make sure it is perfect again. Then I'm going into this Revlon Color Charge. I think it's actually like a lip powder, but it seemed like an eyeshadow to me. So I'm taking that red shade up at the top because I felt like the center of my lid wasn't red or burgundy enough like the sketch. So I just placed it right in the center there. And now I'm going to be popping on my House of Lashes Starlet lashes, and this is the finished eye look. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I will see you on my next video. Bye guys!